One. Hey guys, this is Carter VIP here, and my friend Ethan.
Hi.
Go check out his channel. What's your channel again?
I don't have a channel.
Oh, sorry, he doesn't have one. Okay, please subscribe to this video. Our gold like would be about 91. Sorry guys, I got over two-handed. It will be here. It will be 29 subscribers, and that would be very good. Okay?
God.
Now, this is how you screw a nail.
Let's go on the shade. Shade.
Don't have a screwdriver. Well, then you can use these. If you don't have any of these, well, you can't do it. So sorry. And you need this, because then you can go like this. And if it gets like that,
Just
go
hold
like that, and then hold it down.
No one's gonna get a view on this video. It's like dumb as heck. You know that, right?
And if that doesn't work, you know what will?
This baby.
Big Bertha.
Big Bertha.
This is what you do with it.
Guys, you like my shows?
A
You like
few-
my shows?
A few moments later,
Comment down below. How much likes do you think we should get on this video? Probably 2,000.
No. No. Yes, please.
Okay, I'll get a couple pieces and pass over the fence to you.
Okay.
Don't nail them into the bridge, because that only ruins the bridge.
Bro.
Get you a couple pieces. I'll
Okay.
some for you.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing's nice. Right?
Yeah. This man's nice here. Okay.
Yeah, that guy over there, he's nice.
And yeah, we live in a
Guys,
small
if you like my
building.
shoes, if you guys like my shoes, I don't live here. This is my friend's house. Do you like my shoes? Comment down below how good you think my shoes are,
So scale to 1 to 10. And
and how much likes do you think we should get on this video?
29. That's what I said.
29.
Okay.
You guys want to see my shirt? Very quick.
Sup, bro? Here's Ninja Jumper.
Babe, bro by
Sorry,
day,
guys.
ninja by night.
Bye, guys.
Like it?
See you.